Welcome to Nature's Love Plus. Today, immerse yourself in the peaceful sounds of a gentle waterfall deep within a lush forest. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the sounds of nature calm your mind.
Nature has an incredible ability to soothe our worries and rejuvenate our spirits. The sound of flowing water combined with the tranquil forest environment can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Whether you are meditating, working, or relaxing at the end of a long day, this video is your escape to a peaceful state of mind.
Studies show that listening to natural sounds like waterfalls can lower heart rates and improve overall well-being. Nature's beauty is always there for you, offering its timeless serenity. Let this video be a part of your self-care routine and return whenever you need a moment of calm. Thank you for joining us at Nature's Love Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more calming natural experiences. Let nature heal your soul.